Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious cake rusk at home. We'll start by gathering all our simple ingredients. You'll need 1 cup of all-purpose flour, half a cup of granulated sugar, 2 large eggs, and 1/4 cup of unsalted butter. Don't forget 1 teaspoon of baking powder and half a teaspoon of vanilla extract for that perfect flavor. Having everything ready makes the baking process smooth and enjoyable. Now, let's get mixing. First, cream together your softened butter and sugar until the mixture is light and fluffy, which usually takes about 3 to 5 minutes. Then, beat in the eggs one by one, ensuring each is fully incorporated before adding the next. Gradually fold in your dry ingredients until just combined. Pour the batter into an 8-inch by 8-inch baking pan and bake at 180 degrees Celsius for 25 to 30 minutes. Once your cake is baked, let it cool completely on a wire rack for at least 30 minutes. This is crucial for clean slices. Carefully slice the cooled cake into uniform pieces, about 1/2 inch thick and 2 inches long. Arrange these slices in a single layer on a baking sheet. Now, reduce your oven temperature to 120 degrees Celsius, 250 degrees Fahrenheit, for the second bake, which will give us that signature crispness. For that perfect cake rusk texture, bake the slices for about 45 to 60 minutes, or until they are golden brown and completely dry. Remember to flip them halfway through to ensure even crispness on both sides. Once baked, let them cool completely on a wire rack. This final cooling step is essential for them to become truly crisp. Store your homemade cake rusks in an airtight container at room temperature for up to 2 weeks.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.